In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change dragon color blocks first, second C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on which items you need to acquire to unlock the recipes for new colors for your dragon. So dragons can have skins, and these skins or colors will allow you to visually change its appearance in-game. So all that you have to do to acquire these is first, on the second or third seat, look for the Barista Cousin. He is going to unlock base colors, so stuff like blue, yellow, green, and such, and by interacting with him, he will usually request some sort of item. Usually this is going to be a berry. By giving him this berry, he will award you with the recipe that you need to make that color. So once you have a specific recipe that you want to make, you can check all of them on the wiki. You will be able to take these recipes to the actual barista. The barista is unlocked on level 700 and he will appear on the cafe and the mansion. So go to either of these locations and look for the barista. Now, once you interact with the barista, you will see a list of all of the recipes that you have available and unlocked. So some of these are going to be unlocked by default, so usually base colors, yellow, green, orange, and you just have to present him with the necessary items, which usually is going to be a single berry, and then some amount of fragments, or alternatively, these ones are going to be unlocked through quests. They are usually a mixture of two colors, and they are slightly harder to get. They can also cost more fragments. So these are all the dragon colors currently available. So they have the base ones like orange, yellow, blue, red, purple, black, and then some special ones that are sort of mixed, like frostbite and emerald. All of these are going to require their own specific berry and then a certain amount of fragments, or alternatively, they will require a bit more of each of these materials. Black, for example, is going to be a mixture of every single one, and likewise for frostbite, which mixes two of them, like emerald. And you will have to unlock these recipes to actually see them. So as long as you interact with these NPCs, you will be able to get some of these colors such as blue, emerald, and then blood moon. I hope I was able to help you on how to change dragon color blocks first, second C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.